Welcome to a streamlined visual testing experience with BrowserStack's Ignore Regions. Here's how you can easily mark regions in your snapshot to be ignored. Whether it's dynamic content or date stamps, just select the Ignore Regions button and resize the box around what's irrelevant for your test. Once the region is selected, choose the Save button and select your branching strategy after setting the ignored regions, either for all branches or just the current one. Your branching strategy is automatically respected, whether you are using Git style or the visual Git workflow. Now let's trigger a new build. Notice how these regions won't affect your diffs in future builds. They're grayed out, ensuring only significant changes catch your eye, and it is ignored from the diff highlighter. Refine your visual testing by focusing on what truly matters with Ignore Regions. Dive into our guide linked below and start enhancing your testing strategy today.